Guys, so we're going to be reacting to the new death battle. I mean, semi-new. Obviously, Bakugou is going to win. I have not even heard anything about this one, and I already know that. Bakugou can cluster explosion someone with his own sweat, and she needs to drink blood to get her power. If she even tries to drink his blood and drinks his sweat instead, it's going to blow up like Merry Christmas. Bakugou, do not make me a liar. I don't really like Bakugou that much. He's annoying, but he isn't gonna lose. He isn't gonna lose. Like, there ain't no way he actually loses. Worst case scenario, he breaks an arm, a leg, some kind of limb. But he's not gonna lose. Because he hasn't even pulled the gauntlets yet. And the fight's officially over. Yep, the fight's over. The fight's over. She just drank his sweat. That's her final move, I think. So if that does not kill Bakugou, which it won't, Bakugou has a natural resistance to explosions. I think this fight's over, because she ain't gonna stop this. Also, guys, sorry for not uploading recently. I haven't really been feeling the greatest. But I promise to try in order to get back to a regular upload schedule soon.